Let's also look at DLF. The real estate giant has entered into exclusive talks with Singapore's GIC to sell stake in their rental business. DLF will sell 40% promoter stake in the rental business, which could fetch them about 14,000 crore rupees, the proceeds of which will be used to reduce their debt, which stands at over 25,000 crores. DLF's CFO Ashok Tyagi spoke exclusively to CNBC TV 18 and spelled out the potential timeline for this mega deal.
It will be an investment affiliate of GIC. The roadmap would be that now that we will enter into an exclusivity arrangement with the prospective investor based on the approval of the audit committee. There will be a finite time period within which we and the investor will hopefully conclude the definitive agreements. We expect the time frame to be a relatively short one of maybe 2 to 3 months to enter and to completely close all definitive documentation. We are completely alive to the issue of the fact that the promoters already hold the maximum public flow, the maximum float that is permissible. We are obviously working with the bankers and the lawyers to examine all potential options to ensure that the money on a post-tax basis comes back into the company and we do not violate the public float guidelines. And if that means that a matching institutional offering be made, obviously it will need to be made.
Okay, the DLF stock's down about 2.5% or so, 150 odd is where it's trading at. Of course, the big fear seems to be that there is a big dilution which is coming. Remember, promoters are selling stock. The question is, how will promoters put money into DLF, the listed entity, because they already hold 75%. They can't put a single rupee right now. They'll need to expand the equity and hence fear that, well, one way to do it is to do a large QIP issuance. That's the reason why it's actually correcting a little bit, but not by much. We'll take a very quick break here. We will come back. Up next, commodity.